Hello and welcome back to Design, Create, Innovate. In today's video I'm going to be making the second stool that I have ever made on this channel, and I'm going to try and make a split top stool which should look quite cool. For the top I am going to be using some scrap wood, and I'm going to use this old piece of floorboard. It's quite nice, but the first thing that I'm going to have to do is trim off the lips and ridges from it when it was a piece of floorboard. Time for the fun part, doing the project. Each section is going to be 25 centimeters long, so it will be quite small, but I think it should be okay. I've marked the positions where the copper tubes are going to go, and for now I'm just drilling them into one side of the stool, and then I can line them up on the other side. Unfortunately, because I put these at a diagonal and they've only got one screw holding them in at either end, there's still a little bit of wiggle. So to fix that, I'm just going to drill through here quickly off camera and put in a few more screws to strengthen that up. Just very quickly, I am using copper here for two reasons. Firstly, it was the only metal tube that we had lying around. And secondly, copper is very easy to work. As you saw earlier, it's very easy to cut with a hacksaw, and it is even easier to drill into it and put screws through into it. With those extra screws, it's definitely much stronger. Next in my plan was to make the legs, but I'm just going to take a bit of time to take the plane and just round off the edges of the seat. I'm also going to use the file a bit as well. Now it's time for the legs. So each leg is going to be made out of this wood here. It's about 1 inch by 2 inches. Preferably I could have used something smaller or even better something round, but I don't really want to use up my one round pole. So I think this should be decent. So both ends have a 75-degree angle cut into them. You could definitely cut these by hand, but I am going to be using my handheld miter saw to cut these, and the longest edge is 45 centimeters long. So let's get cutting. Now I have just got 2 more to cut. I am now going to attach the all 4 legs onto here with some wood glue, and then I'm just going to reinforce them with some screws. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really enjoyed making this stool. I know at the start I didn't mention what tools I would be using, but I actually only used one power tool in this build, and that was the hacksaw. So especially if you're just starting out woodworking, this would be a pretty cool project to maybe get you started. I should probably realise this is my first video out in a week, and that is because I'm struggling to come up with projects that I can share on my YouTube channel. And I would really like it if any of you guys have a project in mind that you would like me to give a go at. So if you could put your comment in the comment section below. Thanks again, and I will see you on my next video. I almost forgot to say, but this is actually my 20th video. So thank you to all of you who have supported my channel in these past 20 videos, and I'm really looking forward to the next 20. Thanks. Bye.